Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to block people on Messenger. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your Messenger app and then make sure that you are in your correct or right account. And then right here, you may either search for the person or user that you want to block, or you may also see them on your inbox or your chat section. And then simply click on their messages and click on their name found on the uppermost part. And then you may click on block under privacy and support. So if you cannot see this option, make sure to scroll down a little bit and then you may be able to see this option. So click on block and then click on block messages and calls, or you may also click on block on Facebook. So click on either of the two and simply click on block right here. And then wait for it to load. And as you can see, the button now has turned into unblock instead of block. So to unblock the person, you just simply go to their message once again and click on unblock right here. Click on unblock once again and click on done once you are done. So you might be wondering what is the difference on block and ignore messages option. So blocking a person means that they cannot send you a message or call you anymore. And then if you put a person into ignore messages, so click on ignore messages, click on ignore, and then the person can still send you a message, however, it will not notify you and will not let you know that that person is trying to call you or that person is messaging you. So if you want to see their messages, you just simply click on your profile found on the upper left corner and then go to message request and then click on spam, and now you may be able to see your ignored messages right here. So that's it. That's how you can block people on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.